And the final thing that I want to kind of tell you guys are some apps and SaaS products. SaaS stands for software as a service. Okay, these are some things that will help you keep organized, and these can be expensed by your company. All right, Trello is a really good task-oriented software product. All right, it's on your phone and it's also on the computer. It's Trello, Trello. All right, just Google it. It's an amazing product to basically say, okay, who's working on this? Okay, who have you delegated what? What is the progress of something, and is it finished? And you do that. Slack is a great way of increasing communication and keeping your inbox empty so that your inbox is only on stuff that's like really important. Slack could be like you can have certain people on a communication channel at a store location. Okay, and then you can have, and it's everything that's going on in there, and it's all documented. It's a great way of keeping internal communication. It eliminates email. Slack is huge in the technology space and other businesses that are venturing out of technology. So if you're like, well, we're not technology, stop thinking narrow-minded and take advantage of the technology that's around there today. Okay, use Calendly. All right, CALENDLY.com. Oh, for Slack, it's Slack, like literally like a slacker. Slack.com. It's going to be your online calendar system to set appointments, run your business on a calendar. All right. Voxer is a really cool tool as well too. VOXER. Voxer is a phone app, and it's basically like walkie-talkies. All right. So you can have facility managers on there. You can have like your assistants. You can have store managers, and they can box you and be like, hey, store 621 in Chicago is having this issue. Can you give me a call when you get a chance? And you can address all these boxes as needed. So, but again, set up systems on when people would be using these products. Don't just get all these tools, be like, all right, free for all.